Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? I hope you are okay. And for this time, we would like to focus about preparations for test. Yeah. The way for you for understanding the text, and structure, listening, and also this one we have reading. And then in this one, is tested the third section of paper or computer. But here we would like to focus for the paper. And then for the paper test, similar type of passage-nya, language skill test-nya, gitu ya. And also ordering the what are the difference, just to know the type of and number of and amount of time and strategies and also procedure. Now let's focus for the reading on the paper TOEFL test. Paper TOEFL test, there are multiple choice. You are going to ask to select to get the best answers by having a multiple choice question. You may choose related about the vocabulary, main ideas, indirectly answer details, and some others about the main idea or vocabularies. Then this is the general strategies for the reading TOEFL paper base. And then first be familiar with the direction. By having you get this video, dengan menggunakan video, I think you are going to be familiar. And then do not spend too much time reading the passage. The more you focus in one article or one passage, you will spend much time, and then will destroy your concentration for finishing several questions later for the next question. So you have to focus to read quickly and getting understanding. So need practice. Then for the next, do not worry if reading passage is on topic you are unfamiliar with. Do not start to think. Do not start to think when you see the reading. Oh my God, it's very difficult. Oh my God, I do not familiar enough, right? About vocabulary. So don't think about that. But the important one, you get the main idea, you get the main context inside of these articles. Then do not spend too much time on the question you are unsure. Sometimes we are confused, which one, A, B, or A, B again. Think about that. But time is running, right? So you have to focus for those answers. Just only decide this one first, because of you still have many questions left that need to be answered. And guess the complete section before time's up, because no penalty for guessing it, and you will get increased score if your guessing is correct. But if your guessing is incorrect, no problem, it doesn't matter. You can get this one for this article, for the question. It can be 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs on only 2 paragraphs. So it will be okay, but the important one you can find which is the right one. Information, for example, look at the first question, with choice question that asks about the direct detail from the stated message. So you can get the right one. So you may get the information or try to finish with your own practicing here what is stated in the passage about the obsidian. So you can get obsidian, blah, blah, blah. You can do this one, so you can get the right answer for this. Then so based on this information here, sterilizations doesn't occur and solid shiny food less like rocks out there. So the best answer it is result from rapid cooling magma. And then number 2, the word sites in line 10, process meaning. This is the vocabulary. The way you can answer this one, the greatest meaning, the similar one, or the closest meaning. So the right one for the site here, it is places. Kita juga pernah dengar construction sites, kan? Sites ini not situs, but this is. And then for this one, it can be inferred from the passage that the obsidian wood least likely have been used Pertanyaannya Pak, kita mau baca artikelnya dulu atau questionnya dulu? There are several word shapes that it can be. For the article first is okay, question first is are you, that would be comfortable for you in understand. And then it can be invert. Nah, ini invert itu biasanya unstated, masuk kategorinya unstated, berarti tidak kan, tapi ada keywords that we can get from the pages. So the right one for this one, it is would be the last make up. Then for number 4, nah itu sebuah line ya, we have to find ya, in which lines this information provided. Nah ini kan familiarkan diri kalian dengan pola pertanyaan. Jadi itu udah langsung tahu apa yang harus kita cari. Nah yang terbaik di sini ada di lines 5 to 7. Ya. Discuss apa? The variety of colors obsidian is found. Tinggal cari color jadi di line berapa. Oh, ada di line 5 dan 7. Oke, what about the procedures for reading page? For reading page dates, we have a scheme, reading determine the main idea. Jadi kalau the main idea-nya biasanya itu kita harus skim. Skim itu apa maksudnya? Itu adalah you do not need to understand the details, baca ini apa maksudnya gitu kan. Nah, kalau scanning, nah itu kita harus baca detail karena kita satu titik dalam satu titik yang ada di sana. And then for the look ahead, the question to determine language skills are being tested. Berarti related different language skill or answer it. Look ahead to determine. Jadi make sure that you can memorize keywords apa yang akan disampaikan dalam step ini untuk yang pertanyaan yang mungkin akan polanya berbeda tapi find the section of the passage that deal question. Karena language itu tells you exactly where to look in the passage to find the answer. The main idea, direct answer, detailed question, pronoun, transition, vocabulary, where in the passage, tone, and purpose itu pasti akan didapatkan dari main idea. Akan nanti bahas to get the right information. And then the fourth, read the part of passage content answer carefully. When you get this area content the answer, so don't be in hurry. Try not to be long. Just the answers, karena your guessing can be possibly correct. Okay, now let's go to the next skills. That would be easier for you. Well, let's go to the skill 1. Listening about the main idea of the passage. Skill 1, answer main idea of the correctly means like you are invited to answer based on the passage to get the main idea. Why? Main idea, it is the heart, the heart of the passage. You are going to be asked about the topic, title, primary idea, main idea itu ciri-ciri question yang akan ditanyakan related about the main idea. If the passage consists of only one paragraph, you should study beginning of that paragraph. Look at the multiple choice of the test Dari sini yang ada hanya satu paragraf. Kalau satu paragraf fokusnya aja ke atas. Kalimat kedua. Paragraf itu isinya adalah main idea. Penjelasnya di balik bawah. Itu urut. Jadi kita udah bisa kalau what is the topic of the passage, jangan dibaca semua. Ada di statement. Kita akan cek kamu intelligent sama reason. Okay, and if the passage consists more than one paragraph, kalau paragrafnya lebih dari satu, harus kita mana yang harus kita lakukan you should study the beginning of each paragraph to determine the main idea. Menentukannya bukan dengan ini, tapi harus melebihi yang dibaca dari paragraf. Bukan satu paragraf itu aja yang atas. Kalau ada lebih dari beberapa paragraf, tiap paragrafnya dibaca di kalimat pertama. Nah, ini adalah how to identify the question, how to analyze, how to know ya. The question ini main idea nggak? Contohnya contoh seperti ini. What is the topic of the page? What is the subject of the passage? Main idea of the passage? The author's main point in the passage, and what is the primary concern, and which of the following would be best title. Nah, dari those idea here of identifying the question, you can memorize ya, itu to be familiar. Yeah, by having memorized, of course you can. Where to find the answers? Yeah, answer this type question can be determined by looking at the first sentence of each. Nanti ditemukan lebih dari beberapa. Ya, aja semua awalnya ya, kalimat awal. Di sini how to answers-nya, read the first line, look for common theme, idea, your eyes quickly, tetap info. If you still do not get the phrase in the first sentence, you get definitely. Eliminate two means like you try to kick out the distractors on the options of. Okay, now you can get the exercise one here. So, now let's go to which of the following best describe this topic. Which of the following is described? Best describes berarti of the page, but the topic ya. Oh, berarti nyari main idea. Nah, kalau ini udah nyari main idea, kita tinggal cari aja mana nih yang tepat. North Kentucky, kalimatnya kita baca sampai di depannya sampai. Kira-kira jawaban yang tepat yang mana? So we can get one, the Federal Gold Depository. Awalnya dari mana Pak? Bisa ini? Iya, sebenarnya Fort Knox ya, depository, massive vault contains both government gold. Berarti apa? The Federal Gold Depository. For number 2, which of the following would be best title of it? Ya, this it can be Fort Knox atau World United States. Berarti apa? Ini juga nanya best title, berarti main idea juga. Lagi dari sini terkait dengan Federal Gold Deposit, berarti kita apa? Ada informasi nggak? Ternyata di sini jawaban yang tepat adalah where the United States keep its gold. Jadi goldnya itu disimpan di Federal Gold Depository. Oke, so passage 2, 3, 4, 5 akan kamu coba kan ya. 4 ya sampai halaman 789 ya. Dari satu paragraf grading kedua paragraf 3 ke 4 paragraf ya, silakan untuk dikerjakan, nanti kita bisa discuss untuk dua number 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's all for the sessions. Let's continue for the next week.